So hello everyone, hope you are well. Welcome to Village Life Challenge. Now you are watching my hen are in front of my door. They come at this midday, and now I'm going to giving them some rice. Look at this. This is a cali pot. We used to cook our food in this pot. Look, this is rice, and look, they're coming and taking feed from hand. Look, I'm going to outside giving some of them and some up inside of the home. I think they will enjoy this treat at this midday. Now there is 5 right now, all are hen. There is no cock, and one of them are sitting on the eggs, because within few days newborn baby will be come out from the eggshell. Okay, look at this. My all are healthy chickens. I lay on this bed, and here is my laptop. I'm working, and they just come to visit me and giving some treat. Look, it's all our rice. They are enjoying. Look, after finish, they are going back to the field, finding their own food. Look, this one is laying eggs right now, and this black one will be stirred within few days. Okay, look, she is happy right now. Okay, viewers, talk to you later with another video. Till then, bye bye.